Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Manta. Your daily update. Wanted to do an update. I mean, we're getting very, very close to our main support level, right here around 2.5. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on what to expect from there. I mean, Manta obviously has been quite bearish. All right, it's unfortunate to see, and if we look at the fundamentals, which I do want to spend some time on that, I think it's important. For a bit more perspective on Manta. If we look at the fundamentals, I would be surprised if it has continued to go up. But you can see that it's stable, right? And it's stable around the tops in total, in terms of total value locked. So if you look at this, fundamentally, there's still a reason to be bullish on Manta, all right? So long term, there's still a reason to be bullish on Manta. The market circumstances right now, though, and with the airdrop, etc., it's just not ideal. And Manta, it opened at a very high market cap, which you could make the argument that it's actually worth that with the total value locked, but still it was very, very high. I mean, you can also see that, I believe, right here. It reached like almost $1 billion in market cap very soon. So that's a bit high. And then the market circumstances, like I said, are not great. So yeah, maybe it was a bit overvalued. And technically, especially since that bullish momentum on Monday, we've had quite a lot of bearish confirmations. So I am bearish on Manta in terms of the price. In terms of the fundamentals, I'm pretty bullish. But look, I might buy Manta for the long term. I think it could be a good one, especially with the whole airdrop narrative, etc. But I do want to see it drop down a bit lower, all right? And what we also know, still from a month ago, which I'll show you right now, is that there is quite a lot of liquidity to the downside, especially in the area above $2, so 2.1, 2.15. There's a lot of liquidity, so there's a bit of a magnet to that level. And then what we also know, and that's also, we talked about this yesterday, all right? Yesterday I told you that I opened a short. And obviously, look, you might think that, oh, he opened a short, so he's going to be bearish. But it's the other way around. I already was bearish, and I told you in the videos as well, especially after we failed to break out here. And that's why I shorted. But it doesn't matter. I mean, I try to be objective. Like, if I see bullish things with Manta, I'll tell you. But at this moment, like I said, it's respecting the EMAs, which technically is very bearish. The open interest is holding its own, which is good to see. But there's also no improvement in this. It's also not increasing, and it's relatively low. So there's no momentum. And then apart from that, like I said, there's a big magnet to this level down here. So 2.5 is strong. It's a big psychological support level. I expect that to at least hold a little bit longer. All right. Maybe from there we'll have another chance to break out above 2.8. At this moment, there's no indication of that, but it's a possibility. All right. Because ultimately 2.8, 2.85 would be the level to break for a bullish Manta. So maybe we do that. But I think it's most likely that we'll find support initially, but that then after some time, we'll drop down below 2.5, have a bearish breakout, and then start to drop down towards 2.2. With some support in the middle. I mean, there's support at 2.35 and just in general in that range. But I do think it's most likely at this moment that we will get back into that range. All right. And I'll keep you updated. All right. The main thing is we need to see some shift in volume or open interest. If we see that, then we know that some things are possible, some breakouts are possible. But there's no indication, nothing of that yet. All right. So I'll keep you updated if you're interested in that. But for now, those are my thoughts. All right. So if you do have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in my premium or signal group, where we, for example, shorted Manta at 2.75, consider joining. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.